Good morning class. Welcome to your online session. In today's math session we are going to learn about basic geometrical concept. Now let us see the terms line, rays and angles. Now first of all see what is a point. ठीक है, a point is a mark of a position. It is simply a dot marked with a sharp pencil. A point has no length, no breadth and no height. Now let us see what is a line. The basic idea of a line is its straightness that extend indefinitely in both the direction. Its line has neither end point nor a definite length. It does not have a length. Now let us see what is a it extend indefinitely in both direction. We can increase the line in any direction indefinitely. Then you have line segment. The distance between two fixed points on a line is known as a line segment. A line segment is a part of line. It has two endpoints with definite length. Line segment can be measured with the help of the scale. This is the symbol of line segment. This is the symbol of line. Now let us see what is a ray. A ray has only one point. ठीक है, a line segment produced endlessly in one direction is called a ray. एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जिसको हम एक डायरेक्शन में ही प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रही है वो. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ रे. अ रे हैज़ नो डेफिनेट लेंथ. अ रे हैज़ वन एंड पॉइंट called initial point or starting point or an end point. Take the ray AB, the arrow like this. A is the initial point of AB. This arrow shows is the symbol of ray. Now page number 51, you have the difference between line segment and ray. This you have to learn because this may be asked. You have to remember what are the properties of line segment and ray that we have discussed here. Now let us see what is a angle. ठीक है, so two rays having a common end point form an angle. So this is one ray, this is one ray, both are meeting at point here. ठीक है, and this is an angle. Wherever the point at which the two rays meet forms an angle, the point is known as vertex. Now let us see interior and exterior angle. These are the two rays which are meeting at point O. ठीक है, and the angle between these two lines is known as interior angle. Then these are the two lines which are meeting at point O. ठीक है, the angle outside these two rows are known as exterior angle, and the point at which these two lines meet are known as vertex. ठीक है, now we make angles with the help of this device which is known as protractor. It starts from 0. Here it is 90. Here it is 180. This is a straight line angle. ठीक है, so now let us see types of angles with their properties. First is the acute angle. The angle which is less than 90 degrees is called the acute angle. Say for example, this is a protractor. This is a 90 degree. And here the angle is less than 90 degree. So the angle which is less than 90 degree is known as the acute angle. The acute angle always look like this. ठीक है, then the second type of angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. ठीक है, we will make with the help of protractor. Here greater than 90, ठीक है, and less than 120. So obtuse angle will always be like this. Now let us see straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees called a straight angle. This is a straight line, and every straight line forms a straight angle of 180 degrees. So line AC is a straight line, B is a point on the line AC. Angle, this is a straight angle. Now let us see what is a right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees called a right angle. A right angle when always be made with the help of protractor is straight like this. Now let us see reflex angle. A reflex angle is an angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. It will be always like this. ठीक है, now let us see complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary to each other if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. If the total of two angles is 90 degree, then both the angles are complementary to each other. For example, the first angle is 50 degree and the other angle is 40 degree. If you add both the angles 50 plus 40, the sum is 90 degree. So these are complementary to each other. Then supplementary angle. Two angles are said to be supplementary to each other if the sum of their measure is 180 degrees. Say for example, two angles are given 90 and 90, and if we are going to add them, 90 plus 90, 180. So 180 is the they both angles are the supplementary to each other. Then the one angle is 140 degree and the other is 40 degree. दोनों को ऐड करो, the sum is 180 degree. That means both the angles are supplementary to each other. Now let us see what are adjacent angle. Adjacent mean neighbors. Two angles are said to be adjacent angle if they have common vertex. दो एंगल एडजेसेंट एंगल होंगे अगर दोनों का कॉमन वर्टेक्स होगा, लाइक द नेबर्स हैविंग द सेम वॉल. सो दिस इज अ रे पी क्यू, दिस इज अ रे एस क्यू एंड दिस इज द रे आर क्यू. ठीक है. So this is one angle, angle PQS, angle SQR is the other angle. ठीक है. And both are adjacent to each other. दोनों एक दूसरे के बराबर है. So बगल में है, अगल बगल है. So these are adjacent angle. Now let us see vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle मतलब एकदम सामने वाले. ठीक है. जैसे घर के सामने वाले पड़ोसी होते हैं जो ठीक सामने होते हैं. Two angles formed by two intersecting line without common arm are called vertically opposite angle. So this is one arm PQ, this is the other arm SR. ठीक है. Both are meeting at point O. So this is one angle, this is the other angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. ठीक है. Whatever will be angle 1, अगर angle 1 जो भी होगा वो angle 2 होगा, because these angles are vertically opposite angle. If angle 1 is 30 degree, angle 2 will be automatically 30 degree according to the rule of vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now in the next video we are going to start up with the exercise 13.1.